Hi guys, welcome back to Belle Plaine Motorsports YouTube channel. Today we're going to check out this 2022 Honda Talon 1004. We got a nice little build on it. We've done the Honda upper doors with the glass windshield and the new windshield wiper with wash. Threw a heater in it. Doors work pretty slick. You get this little gadget there, opens the door up for you. Four seater's got the seats in the back, so we got the windshield washer and the windshield controls, the heater controls put in. The 2022 model is this kind of black, dark gray, and orange combination. This is not the live valve edition, so it's got the adjustable shocks on it. So you get to see what the aftermath looks like. Here's what the windshield wiper looks like with the glass windshield. So, and you get the same door release on this side. Works pretty slick. So here we're doing our quick first look walk around of this machine. Get a chance to see what it looks like once a finished build looks like. If you got questions, reach out. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. We'll see what else I can get on video for you guys to check out. Have a great day, you guys.